Oh, so today we are going to create project chatbot with Babe, whatever. Okay, so first of all, I need to create one folder here, new folder. Okay, folder name is chat chat with Babe. Okay, so inside this folder, I need to open this. I'm going to create multiple folders. Okay, so first of all, I need to create multiple folder. That is, I need to copy again. Okay, so our first folder name is state. I'm just going rename it. Oh, second folder is LLMs. Okay, and third folder is what? Notes. Okay, and fourth folder is graph. Okay, notes graph. Let me check graph. Oh, LLM notes graph state. Okay, and this is for UI. Okay, now I need to create one more folder. The folder name is LangGraph Agentic AI. LangGraph Agentic AI. Okay, I need to cut it from here and paste it here. I also need to replace this folder. Sorry, I need to move this folder inside this. Okay, so this is our main folder. Then its name is Agentic AI. Sorry, LangGraph Agentic AI. Okay. Okay, we also create one folder. Its name is search. SEARCH. Okay, so these are the folder name. So guys, I have created folder name chat with web. Okay, and here multiple folder graph, LLMs, nodes, search, state, and UI. Now I am going to open this. Okay, so I think I have some problem in my machine. Oh, I'm going to open my CMD. Okay, if you write like this, it will open everything in a Visual Studio. Sorry, VS Code, in VS Code. Okay, so this is my main folder. Oh, actually I did mistake. I need to close folder. Okay, and you can also open from here. So I'm going to open from here. Open folder in desktop chat with web. Okay guys, so I have multiple folders, and inside this I need, sorry, here I need to create one file, that is .env file. Okay, here I want to write my API key. Okay guys, this is a API key from Groq. Okay, so if you okay, so if you don't have idea about Groq API key, so you need to search Groq API key in browser. Okay, and go here. API keys has under whatever hyphen whatever it is here console. Okay, so here you need to create your API. Like here you need to enter name. Okay, I already have API keys, so I don't need to create again. Okay, so you can create by using this platform. Okay, and after this I need to create one file, that is, guys, you can create every file by your own. Okay, and you can write script also if you don't want to do it and manual, so you can also write scripts. Okay, and after this you need to create one file, that is requirement. Okay, so here you need to create your requirement.txt. Okay, and you need to create dot get ignore. Actually I have all source code of this code, like this project here. I'm just going to recreate it. Okay, okay, I saw actually I also created this folder. I need to create this folder also. I did mistake, guys. Inside SRC I have these things. Okay, this is my get ignore file. Okay, so I need to copy it and I need to move here. Okay, no problem. I need to go here in desktop. Okay, I need to create one folder. Its name is SRC. Okay, I need to move this folder here. Okay, so I have finished src env git ignore app.py and requirement.txt. So I already have this project. I already show you. Okay, and src vnv, sorry, vnv, this is for virtual environment, env file, git ignore app.py and readme.md, we will create it later. Okay, so first of all we need to copy these things from here and I need to paste these things in requirement.txt. Okay, so we are going to use langchain. Okay, and LangGraph for Agentic AI and langchain community. With the help of langchain community we can import different things. Okay, we are going to use langchain core. Okay, langchain Groq, because we are going to use Groq API. Okay, langchain open AI. Okay, so I'm not going to use open AI. If I'm going to use, then it will be useful here, otherwise I will remove it. Okay, I'm going to use here CPU streamlit and Tevily Python. Okay, so these are the requirement I want in my project, so I need to install this. Okay, so first of all I need to go here and and create new terminal. Okay, so here, here. I need to write what? Python hyphen venv but name virtual. So here I think I already have this command python hyphen m venv. Okay, this is used for create a virtual environment that we can install our with the help of it we can install our requirement.txt. Okay, so it took time. I think it will take oh my laptop are going to discharge. Wait a minute. I am going to plug in now. Now it is fine. Okay, so now I am going to create init.py file in every folder. Okay, so in src I need to create one init file. Oh, you need to select this src folder. Okay, so if I am going to create here dot underscore underscore int underscore underscore dot py file, then your folder work as a module that we can import everywhere. Okay, so I am going, no, this is not my project. My project name is what? This one. Okay, so here I have one file in src. Okay, I need to copy it and paste in every folder. Okay, in graph.py I also have IP, sorry, init file. In an LLM also have init file. In this folder I need to create again init file here, and in search folder also I need to create this file. Okay, in state I thought, okay, so this is my structure of project. Okay, so now I have finished. Okay guys, okay, so this is our main folder name, chat with web. Okay, again I have one folder that is src. Again inside this I have LangGraph Agentic AI. Okay, inside this I have graph init.py, and here I want to create one file that its name is graphbuilder.py. Okay, so here in graph folder I need to create one file, graphbuilder.py. Okay, and again in LLM folder I need to create a file, its name is Groq LLM.py. Okay guys, inside this. Okay, and in nodes uh, I will create two type of nodes. Okay, first is basic chatbot nodes. Okay, and second nodes chatbot with tool node. Okay, so we are going to use tool nodes in this project. Okay, so we will create two types nodes, basic chatbot nodes and chat with tool nodes. Okay, and I think I have finished. Now in tool I need to create one tool.py in search. Oh, I also need to create one folder that is tool. Let me check actually. as I have one folder, that is tool, search tool.py. Okay, so this is not a search. Okay, this is the tool. I need to rename this. Inside this tool, I have one file. This name is search tool.py. Okay, and UI also I have multiple file. We will create later. Okay, as of now we need to write code for graph. Okay, graph states, nodes, and tools. Okay, so that's why I'm not going to create as of, I mean here I will create in another folder for your UI. Okay, so it is just like backend. But I'm going after this I'm going to write code for AI backends. Okay, so I'm going to explain again. Okay, so in desktop I have one folder with its name is chat with web. Okay, here this is another folder src. In this src I have LangGraph Agentic AI folder. Okay, and inside this I need to, I must have this file. Okay, because it will work as a module or package. Okay, so we can import lots of things by using this. And inside this we have graph, LLM, and nodes, and state, and tools. This is tools. Okay, and this is UI. Inside this UI, after some time I need to create another folder, that is streamlit. We are going to use streamlit here. Okay, so streamlit. If I need to modification, then I will update later. Okay, so here I have tools. Inside tools I have one file, that is search tool. Okay, in state I have one file. Oh, where is the file? I haven't create file. Okay, so this is the state.py in state folder. Here inside this. Okay, okay, now I have file. Inside this node I have two file, basic chatbot node and chatbot with tool node. Okay, and another file is init underscore underscore init underscore underscore. This is another folder, LLMs. Okay, inside this I already have two files. Okay, and inside the graph I have these two files. Okay, so guys, this is the complete structure. Now now what I am going to do. Okay, so I have created virtual environment, its name is venv. Okay, so here you can see I have another folder, that is venv. Okay, if you hit this command, okay, then you can see here one folder, that is virtual environment. Okay, and this is env file .env. I need to put our all APIs. Okay, so guys, don't use my API, or I already show you how to create APIs. Okay, and this is the git ignore files. Okay, so I did sorry, I already ignored the virtual environment here by using this venv folder name and slash. Okay, with the help of this we can ignore the this folder, and we don't need to I mean we don't need to upload this folder in the GitHub. Okay, and this is our app.py file. Okay, we will write code after some time. Okay, and this is our requirement.txt. We are going to install these things. Okay, so how to install these requirement? Okay, so first of all I need to activate my virtual environment. You can see here we don't have anything here. Okay, so I need to activate by using this command. Okay, dot, this is the virtual environment, and script and activate. Okay, so you can see here inside this folder I have scripts. Inside the script I have activate. Okay, so it will activate this virtual environment by using this command. Okay, now you can see I have activated my virtual environment here. Okay, so I need to install my txt file. Okay, so by using this command pip install -r dot slash requirement.txt. Okay, I need to run this. Okay, so automatically oh, I think I create one more virtual environment here, so I need to remove this folder. Okay guys, because I already have virtual environment, so you don't need to any other virtual environment. Okay, so everything is going to install. Okay, so we are going to install langchain, langgraph, one by one everything is going to install here. Okay, if it is finished then it will exit. Okay, so till now I'm going here. Okay, I need to search GitHub. Okay, so if you want to post your project here inside the GitHub, so you need to create a repository. Okay, so here I'm going to create a new repo that I can post or pull my project for future. Okay, so you can also check source code from here. Okay, so chat with web agent agentic AI. Chat with web by using agentic AI. Okay, chat with web LangGraph by using agentic AI. Okay, your new repository will be created at chat with web LangGraph agentic AI. Okay, I think I need to remove this. Okay, chat with web LangGraph agentic AI. Okay, so we are going to use LangGraph in this project, so that's why I need to write like this. Okay, LangGraph. Okay, here my repo will be public, so I need to hit on this button, create repo. Okay, so this is the details. Now I am going to, okay, it is still working. Okay, so we can create another terminal. Okay, so here I need to activate my virtual environment by using this command. Okay, so here I need to clear everything, and I am in this folder. Okay, chat with web. Now I am going to use one command, that is git add. Okay, so here I'm going to, oh, first of all, I don't need to create git add. First of all, I'm going to create git init. Okay, that it will initialize the init. I mean git. Okay, so here you can see here in this folder. Now I have git. Okay, by using git init. Now after this you need to use this command git add. Okay, so everything will add in this git init. Okay, now after this I'm going here. I need to use this command git commit. So I want to change something. Okay, so I need to add command project folder structure. Okay, I need to cut and paste it here. Okay, so we have this structure. Oh, actually I can't send my .env file here. Okay, you can check also by using this command. Okay, get status. Okay, so it is says that you modify get ignore. Okay, but I need to commit. I need to add again, and I need to commit. Okay, and I need to check status. After this I need to go here, git branch. I want to post everything in main branch, so that's why I need to hit this command. Okay, I'm going back here again. I need to add this URL here. Okay, now I am going to push. Okay, so I just need to hit this command git push. Okay, so the branch man has no upstream branch. Oh, okay, now with the help of this command git push minus sorry hyphen u origin man. Okay, so I already post, you can check here. Now you need to replace, okay, this repository. Okay, so here you need to see here. Okay, I have folders src env5. Oh, actually I need I want to remove this from here. Okay, we can't post our env file here. Okay, okay guys, so this is first video, I mean first step of our project. Okay, uh, structure of folder, how to create a structure of folder, and how many files I need to create. If I need many more files, then I will create later. Okay,